The CTM process, which stands for cleansing, toning, and moisturizing, is an essential skincare routine that helps to maintain healthy and glowing skin. Here are the steps to follow for the CTM process in makeup. Cleansing. The first step in the CTM process is to cleanse your skin thoroughly to remove any makeup, dirt, or oil. Use a gentle cleanser that suits your skin type and massage it into your skin in circular motions. Rinse off with warm water and pat dry with a soft towel. Toning. The next step is to use a toner to balance your skin's pH level and prepare it for moisturization. Apply the toner on a cotton pad and gently wipe your face and neck. Moisturizing. The final step is to moisturize your skin to keep it hydrated and nourished. Choose a moisturizer that suits your skin type and apply it in gentle upward strokes on your face and neck. Make sure to choose products that are suitable for your skin type and needs, and apply them in the right order. You can also consider adding additional steps, such as exfoliation or face masks, to your skincare routine to enhance its effectiveness. Additionally, remember to always remove your makeup before following the CTM process to avoid clogging your pores and causing skin irritation.